Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Wednesday, August 22nd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 6 points to 28.55 3/4 per contract. Yesterday, after the close, we did see the market futures tumble when looks like President Trump's former lawyer took a plea deal. So again, markets have recovered off of those worst levels, but you could see right down here, market tumbled really to around 8 o'clock at night, and then it recovered a little bit here, and right now we are down about 6 points. I think the geopolitical events will continue to flow, so just be aware of them, and we'll see what this market gives us. But in the meantime, we have lots, and I do mean lots of stocks in the news, so let's get started here. We're going to talk about Target first. TGT is the ticker symbol. Stock is making a new all-time high after reporting earnings. Right now, the stock's trading at $88.67. I don't think there's much to do here. If you own Target, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would just stay away from it at the moment. We'll see what it gives us today, but nice pop ahead of the opening bell. Next up, we have Lowe's, L-O-W. This is the big retailer here for hardware and such, and you're going to see the stock right now is trading at $98.90. It closed at $99.74. We did get a nice flush initially, but the stock has recovered quite a bit, and again, that's on the back of earnings. So if this does move higher, I think 101.50, 101.40 in that area will be some resistance. If it does fall, I still think the $96 level, it presents a lot of support intraday. So again, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see where we go. You never know what can happen after earnings. Let's take a look at Pure Storage. PSTG is the ticker symbol here. This stock is flying high today. Closed at $22 and a penny. Now trading at $24.80. So this is a great move here for Pure Storage. I think we're getting a little bit into a very good resistance point around this $25 area. So be a little bit careful there. If you own Pure Storage at the moment, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, just leave it alone. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where it goes, and we'll just take it and leave it at that. Next up, we have Lazy Boy, LZB. I believe this is on the back of earnings as well. Stock is trading at $38.60, closed at $33.10. So all these earnings right now are positive, and we'll see how that plays out. I don't see anything to do here for Lazy Boy. It's a little bit overbought for my liking. So when I look at the chart, I would just trail that stop loss if you own it. If you don't own it, don't chase it up here. Leave it alone. We'll see where it goes. Let's take a look at Urban Outfitters. URBN is the ticker symbol here. They reported earnings as well. Stock's trading at $50.30. Another stock that's up after reporting. This closed at $47.74. So nice little pop there. This is way overbought, so just again trail that stop loss. There's really not a whole lot to do here. Let's take a look at Momo, M-O-M-O. This stock right now trading at $43.10, closed at $40.49. So nice little pop there. There's huge resistance for this stock around the $46.50 level if it does get up there. I don't know if it gets there today, but keep it on the radar. $46.50 will be big resistance for Momo. Let's take a look at YRCW. I believe this is on the back of an upgrade. Stock right now trading at $9.60, closed at $9.18. So nice little pop there. YRCW is a transport play. Looks like we have some negative movement here on Continental, CTTAY. This is Continental Rubber or Continental Tire, whatever you want to call it. Stock right now is trading at $42.93. This is basically where it closed, but I believe it is down overseas. So we'll watch that one at opening bell rings. But in sympathy, you have Goodyear Tire trading lower. This is right now at $23.35. This closed at $24.71. So keep that on the radar. I think there's still going to be a fair amount of support around $20 if it gets there. Also, we have Cooper, CTB. Cooper Tire trading lower as well. This is trading at $29.25. No real volume behind it, so we'll keep that on the radar. I have to think if it does trade lower, you got very, very good support today around the $26 level. So we'll keep that on the radar and we'll see if it gets down there. But Cooper right around 26 and a quarter, maybe 26 even number. Very, very good support today. All right, let's take a look at Analog Devices. Ticker symbol is ADI. Stock right now is trading at 92.25. Closed at 95.92. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Watch the 88.35 level, $88.35. That should be pretty good support here. I'll be watching that if it gets down there, and we'll see how that plays out. But all in all, this is stock that gapped up a little bit and now retreating back down. So there's a chance it gets there, but again, until it gets to around that 88.35 level, 88.30, there's really not a whole lot to do, but keep it on the radar. We'll see if that trades down to those levels. Next up, we have crude oil today trading higher by $1.18. Crude back above 67 bucks at 67.01 right now. So if you take a look at the USO, it looks like there's Iran tensions, Middle East tensions out there. Either way, oil's up today. Oil's holding up. And USO trading at 14.09. This is a good ETF to track the movement in crude. Again, right now that's trading at 14.09 right now. Next up, we have gold trading up $6 today. Gold is trading at $1,206 an ounce. Gold catching a bid for a second day in a row. If you take a look at the GLD, that's trading at $113.54. Anytime gold is up, it usually means the dollar is down, and that is exactly the case today. So dollar pulling back a little bit more, and again, gold getting a bid. If the dollar catches a bid, gold will probably pair its gains. So just be aware of that, and we'll see how it plays out. Once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. Another solid day yesterday. These are the dog days of August, and we're still getting good trades out here. So again, if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial. Come trade right alongside of us. Things are heating up. Got a lot of geopolitical tensions out here. Still got earnings announcements coming out. And again, some good morning action each and every day. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we'll see you on the charts.